Hi everyone, this is Alan Wang with the Alan Wang Realty Group at Keller Williams, Santa Clara Valley. I'm extremely excited to introduce you to our newest listing in the foothills of Evergreen at 4252 Merlot Court in San Jose. Let's look inside. This property features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3,458 square feet of living space, and a separate living, dining, and family room. The ultimate chef's kitchen has been recently updated with white shaker cabinets, brand new backsplash. And if you want to see something super cool, check this out. Talk about seamless integration, just handing your food inside and outside to your guests. This is the home of a general contractor, so no details have been spared. Currently we have luxury vinyl floors. However, under we have Brazilian cherry engineered hardwood if you prefer that instead. We have an oversized primary suite with its separate retreat that flows into a bathroom with dual walk-in closets and a beautiful jacuzzi tub. This 5th bedroom serves multiple purposes. Obviously as a bedroom, could be an office, a gym, or an entertainment room. We have an 8,000 square foot lot, perfect for pickleball or basketball. Whoa, boy, I'm tired. It's been a while. This is the perfect yard if you need to take a break and enjoy your little peace and quiet after a long day at work. What I absolutely love about this home the most is this enclosed patio. We have this wood siding here that's up here as decor. We have mounted televisions, heat lamps, ceiling fans. Imagine entertaining your guests here on a weekend, watching the game, or just spending a nice night right by the fireplace. This is the place you want to be, perfect house for entertaining. If you would like a private showing, give me a call. I'm Alan Wang. Text or call me at 408-313-4352 or email me at alan@alanwangrealty.com. You have a blessed day.